Raugovara, as Jamaicans, I don't think we know how rich and diverse our language is. Based on how somebody talk, you can tell which part of Jamaica them come from or what kind of class them come from. This sentence, Johnny broke his leg and I had to take him to the hospital, is said by 4 different Jamaican women. Every other type of patois come under these 4. So can you tag and tell me where these women are from or what kind of class them come from? Big up on yourself, yeah.
Boy, Cynthia, I say me have to go down to the hospital, you know. Johnny a climb tree and got broken foot.
Yes, sorry Margaret, but you see, I did had was to go to the emergency room because Johnny tried to climb the Bloomer tree and fell and broke his leg off.
Don't. Anyway, go there, but I forgot to KPH hospital because Johnny got climb tree and got broken foot. I idiot, you know, I don't know what to do him.
Me be way I go carry Johnny go to the clinic cause he go climb tree and go broke off his foot. Yes, Judith. But Johnny was climbing a 3 and he broke his leg, so I had to take him to the hospital.